Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Matt, this is Mark's Mods, and guys, if you think it's all over, well, it's not always all over. But I've got something for you today that is actually coming from Partwork Upgrades. This was sent to me by Ian for the Rossi motorcycle, and basically it is the Rossi sticker set for your motorcycle. Now, these are basically stickers that we can put on the bike, which I'm going to do in a second. But as you can see, these are a lot better than what we've got on. Now, some bits I can't get to because I've already put them on. But I'll explain more with that in a thing. But if you look here, we've got some bits here. These are for the front suspension. These are for the front calipers. And then we've got these. Now, if you remember, the dashboard was that. So that's basically what D'Agostini supplied for you, the dashboard. So what Ian has done, he's done these. Now, these are various dashboards in different light conditions. So you've got some there, you've got no light. There you've got a little bit. There you've got a bit more coming. There you've got a little bit more coming. And there you've got like a light on it. These look brilliant. I mean, compared to that, night and day really. So you can basically choose which one you're going to put on your Rossi motorcycle. So I've had a look at these, and my favourite one has to be this one here. I just love the colours in that. There's all different types of colours coming off the from the reflection of the sun, and I just think that looks the nicest out of all of them. That's my opinion anyway. So we're going to put this on. So this is just a simple peel off sticker, and I'm going to put this. Now remember, people, I am rubbish with stickers. That's really bad. That's bad for me. Oh my word. Right, okay. Let's do this differently. Okay. I'm still not happy with that. This is why I'm not a fan of stickers. There we go. Okay, so that is on there. Now that is really easy to take out. You do have to take off the front fairing, but that is what that is going to look like. Now if I just bring the Rossi over, I have it here. Okay, so the front fairing's off on this. I think this could be a good idea to use the top camera. It's a little bit blurry, I don't know why. Might be the light. But basically, we're just going to put this back in. And all that does is just go onto there. It just clips back in. Should do if I'm not all fingers and thumbs. That one here, there's actually a pipe I want to redirect, make life easier. Okay, so let's put this on. And there we have it. There we go. Oh, that's clipped in better. So if I just bring it round like this, I can bring the little side camera in. There we go. So that's the dashboard now, which looks a heck of a lot better than what we had before. A heck of a lot better. Looking so much better. So the next one, and I'm going to keep with the side camera here because I can get that one. Oh, if it don't fall over. I hate the tripod this is on. It really is a pain. So as you can see, we've got the caliper here. Now if we take one of our caliper stickers, now I can't get to that other end, it is literally impossible. because it means taking this apart, and if you watch the videos on how it's put together, you'd understand why I don't want to take this apart. So I'm just going to try and get these off.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Yeah, they are water slide decals. So the best way for me to do this is I'm going to take the writing off here, and I'm going to use some IPA just to take that off, and then I'll take that one off with some IPA as well. Then I'll use some of this, which is Decal Fix. I'll just brush some down onto there, and then with them being water slide decals, we just basically put them in warm water, and then we transfer them over. I'm not going to do that on camera. The reason I'm not going to do that on camera is I am not the best with water slide decals. I'm still learning. So basically, I will show you once this is done and what it's like, and also I will put the fairing back on the front as well while I'm doing that. So yeah, it's not something you really want to see on camera, because for me it does take a heck of a lot of time for me to do this. So I will be back very shortly.
Eventually.
Okay guys, so I have got the water slide decals on. So here you can see the caliper one, which is a heck of a lot clearer and a lot better there. And then just as you see there, that is the suspension arm one. I've done the one on the other side. I've also put the fairing back on. So if we just have a look over here now, that is what that is looking like down there. And I'm really pleased with that. I'm really pleased I went with that one with the sun reflecting on that left hand side. I think that looks totally amazing. You can see the colours on that, and yeah, it is definitely a wow. So yeah, amazing work. So what I'll do is I will make sure I put down the link for this in the description down below. Please check over to Partwork Upgrades as well. There are loads on their website for you to choose from. So yeah, just go around there and have a look. But yeah, if you like this video guys, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos on the channel. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now. Please check out partworkupgrades.com, where you will find even more mods and fixes for your models, where you can fix the wobble on the knee tendon fix. There is an array of dust covers, an array of sound cards and other bits and pieces to help you along your way. So check out partworkupgrades.com and start modding today.